Top 10 beautiful countries in the world in 2024. Iceland. This Iceland nation boasts a dramatic landscape with towering mountains, lush rainforest, pristine glaciers. Iceland. The Nordic Iceland nation is home to glaciers, volcanoes, glaciers, waterfalls, black sand beaches. Switzerland. The landlocked European country is famous for soaring Alps mountains, crystal clear lakes, charming villages. Canada. Canada is vast and geographically diverse, a majestic Rocky Mountains, stunning Pacific coast. Italy. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the dramatic Amalfi Coast, Italy is a country blessed with a natural beauty. Greece. Greece is known for its beautiful islands, ancient ruins, stunning coastline. Scotland boasts dramatic coastlines, rugged mountains, charming lakes. Japan. Japan offers a unique blend of nature, beauty, and cultural experiences. Japan is famous for scenes from the snow-capped peaks of Mount Fuji. Costa Rica. The Central American country is a haven for natural lovers with rainforests, volcanoes, beaches, abundant wildlife. Tanzania. Tanzania is a home to some of Africa's most iconic wildlife and scenery, including Serengeti National Park, Mount Kilimanjaro. For more content, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.